So right now we've coded our parrot and we've coded our columns and we've coded a lose screen. But when we hit the green flag, we can see the lose screen is there already. So we're going to go back into our parrot here and we're going to add a few items in here. When the green flag is pushed, we're going to make sure that the parrot is visible. So we're going to show the parrot. We're going to switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. So we don't want to have the lose screen up there. We want to show just backdrop 1. And we're also going to move our parrot to a starting position. So if you move your parrot to where you want him, click him there, and you can see this is x minus 197 and y 9. So I'm going to go to my motion and I'm going to say go to. I'm just going to round this to maybe negative 200 and y of 10. So now I should be able to hit play. And there I don't have my lose screen anymore. And now I do.